May 20th, 2021. How's it going, guys? Got another video for you. I did a small remote view and I got something to show you. Okay, guys, I'm back. Now, I was doing a remote view looking out in the outer space, okay? And how I come back to a saucer, and this is interesting, on this planet. I'm going to explain how that happens. But first, we're going to talk about this saucer. This saucer is huge. And I mean, just where you can base they're, what am I looking to say here? They're, the glass here is several stories high that they can see out of. I mean, several stories high. This is a huge craft. It's not like a jet fighter or something like that. This is huge. The next thing I seen while viewing, I want to show that to you. Hold on. Okay, I'm back, guys. Is I see this room. And this is a huge room. But I see there's an altar. And there's an alien laying on top of this altar. Now, what I can't tell you is if this alien is alive or if it's dead. That's where this kind of gets kind of strange a little bit here. Now, alien looked pretty much about our size. It had on the back side of its head coming up around the side of it, it had like it was almost like spines, kind of like a porcupine would have on each side coming around the side of its face. Now, in this viewing, there's something else. I see every so often, it's like this, the atmosphere. I don't know if this is something that it was generating. Like I said, I don't know if this is something that could have happened a long time ago. I mean, maybe this is what's down in Antarctica. And maybe this, what I was seeing, is maybe something that happened a long time ago. But the atmosphere, it was kind of like, it looked kind of almost like a tinted purple. And it was kind of like a fog. That's the only way I can describe it. Now, could this be the alien's atmosphere? Maybe. And maybe there was something generating this. Because when I was viewing this, I could see every so often, just like when our wind blows here and the leaves and trees blow, I could see this going across here. And it was actually flowing across, just like a kind of like a purplish fog. Now that kind of blew my mind when I was seeing this, because this was something. But this room that this alien was in was huge. I mean, it was like almost as big as, you'd think of like a huge warehouse. That's how big. And it was the only thing that was in there. And like I say, this altar that it was laying on, that was it. Nothing else. Now, how did I get to this? And how did I get to the saucer? When I was doing the remote view, I was looking out like into space. And what I come across brought me back down here to Earth, to the saucer, and to this alien. And I'll show you what that was here. It was a satellite. And the thing of this is, this satellite isn't just any. No, it's not. It's an alien satellite, okay? And it's in several pieces, okay? And it makes me think about what they kind of like you on superconductives, like quantum locking. And these pieces are like, they're interconnected, but that's what makes this thing stealthy, to where they can't actually see the satellite out there. And when this was what I seen first, and I thought, well, what am I seeing out here first? And then it took me, basically, when I was looking out at this, to that saucer, and then to that alien. Pretty wild, huh, guys? I just thought I'd do like I say, I thought I'd do something different here tonight, but I thought that was pretty cool. And if that's what's down in Antarctica, I'd like to see that. Because I'm going to tell you something. This saucer is freaking huge. I mean, it is huge. And, like I say, this here, I think the big question here is this alien alive, or is it dead? And was this kind of like a tomb that they left for it, or they found it? Or maybe for us to find it. I don't know. Anyway, guys, just a short little video. Eyes open. Have a good one.